Here is a matching type question. Study the items in both columns carefully. Try to work out the matching before we solve it together. Let us first understand the key concept here. Hydroboration-oxidation. Here protodeboronation via carboxylic acid proceeds via S-ion addition. In hydroboration, boron adds to the less substituted carbon, anti-Markovnikov, and the hydrogen or deuterium-tritium from the borane adds to the more substituted carbon, both from the same phase, S-ion. In the protonolysis step, the C2B bond is replaced by CH or C2D or CT from the acid with retention of configuration. For 1-methylcyclohex-1-Na. The double bond is between C1, bearing CH3, and C2. Hydroboration, B adds to C to the isotopic hydrogen, from BX3 adds to C1 S-ion addition. Protonolysis, B at C2 is replaced by the isotope from the acid, retention at C2. So C1 ends up with CH3 plus HDT from borane, and C2 ends up with HDT from acid. Reaction, ABD3, THF then CH3CO2T. Step 1, BD3D from borane goes to C1B goes to C2 S-ion addition. Step 2, CH3CO2TB at C2 replaced by T from tritiated acetic acid. Result, C1 has CH3 and D, C2 has T matches product, PCH3 and D at C1 T at C2. So AP reaction, BBT3, THF then CH3CO2D. Step 1, BT3T from borane goes to C1B goes to C2 S-ion addition. Step 2, CH3CO2DB at C2 replaced by D. Result, C1 has CH3 and T, C2 has D matches product, SCH3 and T at C1 D at C2. So BS reaction, CBD3, THF then CH3CO2H. Step 1, BD3D from borane goes to C1B goes to C2 S-ion addition. Step 2, CH3CO2HB at C2 replaced by H, protioacetic acid. Result, C1 has CH3 and D, C2 has H matches product, QCH3 and D at C1H at C2. So CQ reaction, DBH3, THF then CH3CO2D. Step 1, BH3H from borane goes to C1B goes to C2 S-ion addition. Step 2, CH3CO2DB at C2 replaced by D. Result, C1 has CH3 and H, C2 has D matches product, RCH3 and H at C1 D at C2. So DR. Why other options fail? Each product differs only in which isotope, H, D, or T, is placed at C1 versus C2. The borane isotope always ends up at C1. More substituted, Markovnikov carbon receives H from borane in anti-Markovnikov hydroboration, actually boron to less substituted C2 hydride isotope to C1, and the acid isotope always ends up at C2. Mixing up these assignments would give the wrong product, ruling out alternative matches. Therefore, the correct answer is A, P, B, S, C, Q, D, R. Therefore, the correct matching is A matches P, B matches S, C matches Q, D matches R.